parang lasang tubig.
Correct, okay.
So, ako kasi, pag naghahalo-halo ako, I only put what I like. So, I don't like beans, I don't like, marami akong hindi gusto sa halo-halo. So, dahil kaya ko nang gumawa ng sarili kong halo-halo, this is very special because I only added what I really like in a halo-halo.
What is it that you really like?
So, I love nata de coco. So, non-negotiable ko yan. I like sago. And this is, ito yung mga recipes na galing from, dishes na galing sa Angry Adobo is my own buttered kamote, buttered saba.
Ooh, okay.
And sweetened kamote. And black sesame pulveron and cream cheese leche flan.
Wow, parang sobrang level up ng mga ingredients natin. Kaya naman pala siya nag-viral.
So, inandaran ko talaga si Gordon Ramsay. Pero, I'm happy na ang nanalo ay estudyante. Kasi deserve nila yung boost na yun.
So gracious. I love that.
And this is cheese because I like the mixture of sweet and savory.
Sweet, salty, the
Yes!
combo. Oh, yes,
So,
I love that.
yun talagang, hindi kasi ako mahilig sa matamis, but when I have my dessert, I make it a point that it has that salty element.
Para hindi na tayo maumay. We can have more.
So, isuot muna natin itong